Hey, this is Sam here from kitchengadgetsclub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. So today I wanted to show you how to use the steam bread setting to make delicious pull-apart bread rolls. Yesterday we showed you how to use the proof setting to actually proof the bread rolls and make them, and now we want to show you today how to cook them. If you haven't watched that video yet, then I'm going to add the link in the description, or just follow the series on our YouTube channel, and then you can find the previous day and then make it, and then whilst it's proving you can finish watching this video and then they come together so nicely. And I just love the idea of doing steamed bread in the Ninja Foodi because it just does a great job of it. It actually feels like proper bread that you've got from a bakery, rather with the air fryer one you can tell it's got the crispy texture of an air fryer. So this is just really nice. So this is how our pull apart bread looked like, the dough, when we finished yesterday's video. So now we're going to transform it and cook it. So you want to start by lifting the rack out, which is so easy to do thanks to the handles. Put it to one side because we need the liquid in the bottom in order to use any of the steam settings. So I'm going with 1.5 cups of water, which is the equivalent of 360 ml. So just add that in the bottom. Make sure it's cold water because otherwise it will preheat too quickly and your bread would end up underdone. But I just wanted to have another look and show you just what this looks like. It's just brilliant. So the beauty of it is, once it's done, you'll be able to pull it out by its paper liner like that, and it'll make it so much easier. So just pop it in like that. It will begin by preheating first, and then we can check on it for the last couple of minutes, see if it needs any longer or if we need to reduce the cooking time slightly. But it's just brilliant that you can have bread cooked like that so quickly using your Ninja Foodi. For actually cooking your pull apart bread rolls, you want to be in the middle section, which is the combi steam, and you're looking for steam bread. If your machine doesn't have a steam bread, you can swap it for steam bake, and you're looking for a temperature of 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 13 minutes, and then press start. When you first got a multi-cooker, it's so hard understanding the times and temps and getting the food spot on and cooked perfectly. That's why we've made for you the multi-cooker cooking guide. It features all the main functions of the multi-cooker, from dehydrate to grill to steam roast to steam air fry, pressure cooking, and of course simple everyday air frying. It's perfect for lots of different types of multi-cookers, from Instant Pot users to Ninja Foodi users, Ninja Speedy, air fryer. Even if you've got a flex straw, it's just perfect for so many of them. You'll find the link below in the description, and you can pre-order it now. And now let's get back to the video. So the steamed bread rolls have done 13 minutes and they are perfectly cooked. So shall I show you them and you can see what they look like? Pop the lid up. Oh yes, look at those. Don't they look golden and delicious? I just love how quickly they are cooked on the steamed bread setting. So shall we get them out? Oh wow, look at those. And then let's get this to one side, and then I can give you a closer up. Oh wow. And the benefit here is it opens up like that and it makes it so easy to get them out. So in case you're wondering what it's like, then look at that. It's just brilliant because you can just move them about by the paper. Get rid of the wrap, of course. Look at that. You've done bread. They may be bread rolls, but look at them. Oh, and they're so soft and lovely. I can feel them. I'm just going to wait for them to cool down a bit, otherwise I'll end up burning myself. But oh wow, can you believe it? Bread like that, using the steam bread setting, is amazing. The bread has cooled. I've been playing about with it because I just couldn't help myself. I should be pulling the first part on camera for you, but I got excitable. Anyway, let me show you what it's like. I can pull a piece out actually because I've not pulled these ones. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? And look at the bottom as well, you know. It's not undercooked on the bottom either. Oh, wow. Doesn't that look fabulous? I can't believe how good it looks. And then the middle one, because you're always worried that the middle's going to be undercooked. No, that one's fine as well. So should we slice into one? Oh wow, that is what I call perfect bread buns. Wow, look at that. Wow. Oh, that's so good. Just remember, this is Dom's recipe from years ago that we just kind of perfected. It started off as our bread machine recipe, and then we brought it to the air fryer, and now we brought it to the steam bread setting on the Ninja Foodi. So I hope you enjoy it. You've all been asking me to update it because I'm still on the old air fryer pictures, but here it is. I've finally done it for you, and it's just so simple, so easy. And you know, we didn't use parchment paper back then in the air fryer, so it was harder to get it out. And if you've not got a copy yourself, grab yourself a copy of the complete air fryer cookbook. It's our original air fryer cookbook. And the thing is, a lot of these recipes we are now moving to the Ninja Foodi and trying them out and seeing how they compare to the air fryers. And do get our multi-cooker cooking guide, because then you can take the recipes from this and take them to the Ninja Foodi, and it's just brilliant for reusing those recipes, making them better, and realising just how good it is having the steam function alongside regular air frying. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook, and on Pinterest, TikTok, we're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.